Have you ever wondered what happens inside the body after a snake bite? Do you think the poison moves slowly or fast? Do you think it reaches the heart, the brain? Can someone die within hours after you have been bitten by a snake? If these thoughts are what is going on in your brain, keep calm and listen. I will tell you what you do within hours to prevent casualties. This is the story of a boy called Chinedu. Chinedu is a strong farmer whose life changed in less than 1 minute. And what happened inside his body that day is something everyone must understand. One peaceful morning, the sun rose gently over the village of Umike. Umike is a small village in a town known to cultivate very well and known for high agricultural produce annually. He is a young farmer, very strong and healthy. That morning, he walked to his farm, humming softly. The cassava leaves shined with morning dew. He bent down to clear weeds. Then, a sharp sting, like 2 hot needles, pierced his ankle. He jumped. A snake! Dark, silent, and fast, it disappeared into the grass. Chinedu stared at his leg. He saw 2 small marks. And within seconds, a burning pain began. His heart started beating faster. Something was wrong. What Chinedu did not see was what was happening inside him. When the snake bit him, venom entered his bloodstream. Venom is not an ordinary poison. It's a powerful mix of chemicals and proteins. Once inside the blood, it begins to travel. It travels very fast. The blood in our body moves constantly from the leg to the veins and towards the heart. Each heartbeat pushes blood to every part of the body, including the brain. The venom was moving fast as blood flow was moving fast, and time was running. Chinedu tried to walk, but his ankle was swelling. The burning pain spread upwards. His head was light. His breathing became faster. Why? Because some snake venoms attack the blood. They can damage red blood cells. They can affect clotting, meaning the blood may not clot properly, and it will lead to constant bleeding. Sometimes the victim can bleed to death. Other venoms attack the nervous system. They disturb the signals between nerves and muscles. It can cause weakness, difficulty in breathing, and even paralysis. As the venom spreads through circulation, it reaches the heart. If the heart becomes weak, blood pressure can drop. If the brain does not get enough oxygen, the person can lose consciousness. And when treatment is not applied immediately, death can be the next case. When other farmers saw what happened to Chinedu, they ran towards him. "It's a snake bite," someone shouted. An old man quickly tied a tight rope above the wound. Another one said, "Let us cut it and suck out the poison." Chinedu was sweating heavily now. His vision became blurred. His lips felt heavy. Inside the body, the venom was still traveling. With every heartbeat, it moved closer to vital organs like the kidney and the liver. His cousin, Ada, pushed through the crowd. "No," she cried. "We must take him to the hospital now." Some hesitated, saying, "The hospital is far. Let's take him for local medication." Ada's voice shook. "If we delay, the venom will continue spreading. We cannot take him to the local medication. Let's take him to the hospital," she insisted. They listened to what she was saying. They placed him on a motorcycle. The road was rough. Chinedu struggled to stay awake. His breathing became slower. Why was he breathing slowly? Some snake venoms block vital signals between nerves and muscles. The brain sends message to breathe, but the muscles do not respond properly. If breathing stops, oxygen stops. And if oxygen stops, the brain begins to shut down. Everything was happening silently inside Chinedu. Venom in the blood, when it reaches the heart or the brain, it can cause worse cases. When they reached the hospital, the doctors acted fast. They cleaned the wound. They checked his pulses. They monitored his breathing. Then they gave him an antivenom. Antivenom is a medicine made to fight snake venoms of any type. It works by attaching the venom in the blood and neutralizing it. It stops the venom from causing more damage, but it must be taken quickly to avoid worse cases. After he has been given the antivenom, his breathing improved. His heart became stronger. The spread of venom stopped. He survived. Days later, Chinedu sat outside his home alive and grateful. The doctor explained further. "Do not cut the wound. Do not suck the venom. Do not apply herbs. Do not go for medical examination, because antivenoms are specific to different types of snake venoms and snake species. Once bitten by a particular species, it requires a particular venom to treat the wound. Do not waste time when somebody is bitten by a snake. Keep the person calm. Immobilize the wooden limb. Go to the nearest hospital immediately. Snake venoms moves through the blood. The blood reaches the heart. The heart pumps to the brain. When the brain and heart are affected, life is in danger. But quick medication can cure and lead to quick recovery." Chinedu looked at his farm. One bite almost stopped his heart, but knowledge saved him. If this video taught you something, like, subscribe, and share to loved ones. you might be saving a life without knowing.